Hey guys, we're back. Got a cab high ARE DCU unit here. Fits the 09 to 18 Ram, short bed, 6'4" bed. The regular cab, double cab, short bed, 6'4" bed. It's black in color. Has cargo doors on the side here. It's a little bit of, if it's been used, got a little bit of paint issues, but it's not horribly bad shape at all. Top looks in good shape. A little bit of paint chips and stuff on the top here and there. Has some ghosting from the previous owner's decals are on there. This has some scratches right there. T-handle turns, opens up the doors, and then has toolboxes inside, shelves on this side. Pretty decent shape actually. There's not a lot of damage, and it doesn't look like they really just used the daylights out of it. It's definitely used. It's got some age on it, but it's not just abused. Has a front picture window in it. It's got little spots, paint flake areas, stuff like that, some nicks and scratches up there. It looks like it used to have a light attached up here. It's got some rubber silicone butyl underneath there to seal the holes back up. A little bit of a paint wear mark right there. A little bit of ghosting on this side of the stickers again. It's in really good shape. I mean, it hasn't got a lot of dents and dings in it. Be a good candidate to put a paint job on it, or maybe just wrap it with your logo on it. T-handle in the back, solid window in the back door. Same on this side, has the T-handle, opens up the door and goes into a toolbox on the inside. Open toolbox there, shelving over here on this side. No dents that are on the inside from stuff falling over. Looks like they were a survey and they didn't do a lot of hard manual labor, just a lot of... Got safety lighting on the back here. You can see the toolboxes there. Inside's lined for condensation, to keep the condensation out. Toolbox on this side. Windows so you can see clear through for safety reasons. There's all the wiring for the lights. There's another security light on this side, safety light. There it is. It was specifically built for 2011 Ram, double cab, regular cab, short bed, 6'4" bed, 23-inch cab high, ARE DCU. There it is, ARE Cab High DCU. Fits the 09 to 18 Ram, 6'4" bed. As with all our units, we do not ship these. They're local pickup only. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can see which location it's at, how much we're asking for it, all the information you could want down below. There's also a link to our website in general, if you just want to look for cap repair parts, T-handles, locks, bed storage solutions, bed mats, things like that. All this stuff's available online for purchase. Thanks for watching.